Are you ready to master the art of pearl grading? From the comfort of your own home? Introducing the newly relaunched Certified Pearls Professional course from the International School of Gemology, now with hands-on practical training that comes to you. At ISG, we believe that real learning happens through real-world practice. That's why we're sending you a complete set of pearls to examine, grade, and master, right at your fingertip. You will study the history of pearls from the very earliest times. This includes pearl production and how the cultured pearl industry has grown over the last 100 years. You'll gain expert-level skills in identifying pearl types, evaluating quality, and understanding pearl treatments, all without the need to travel. Our step-by-step video lessons are designed by industry professionals and cover everything from pearl anatomy to advanced grading techniques. And with personalized feedback from our experienced instructors, you'll get the guidance you need to perfect your grading skills. Whether you're a gemologist, a jewelry professional, or simply a pearl enthusiast, this course is your gateway to becoming a certified pearl expert, ready to take the next step. Enroll today at the International School of Gemology and discover the world of pearls like never before. Visit gemology.pro to learn more and get started. International School of Gemology, where hands-on learning meets excellence in gemology and jewelry appraisal education.